Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, the Stock Analyst. So what is happening with DraftKings? The earning came today, this morning. It was a great earning. And what is happening? The share price is down by close to 5%. So in this particular video, I'll talk about the price action. And I want to show you that this is extremely oversold because the RSI is at 20. On the other hand, the earning came today and the earning was superb. So the share price was higher in pre-market. You can see once the earning came, the share price was around $53. Then it came all the way to 49. So it's a $4 drop since the pre-market. So what is happening with the price action, the support, resistance, and what you should be doing regarding this particular stock? Because if you're a long-term holder or if you want to quickly swing some money, then definitely this is a good opportunity because the RSI is extremely oversold. I will come back, but you see the RSI is currently at 28. It's below 30, so it is oversold. Keep that in mind. So let's go back to the earning. And if you are new to this particular channel, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button so that more people can see this particular video. So anyway, so today is May 7th in the morning 7 o'clock. DraftKings reports first quarter 2021 results and raises 2021 revenue guidance. So they reported that the first quarter revenue of 312 million increases 2021 revenue guidance to 1.05 billion to 1.15 billion. So anyway, let's start from here, the highlights. For the 3-month ended March 31st, DraftKings reported revenue of 312 million, which is an increase of 253% compared to 89 million during the same period in 2020. So an increase of 253%. Okay. And also it talks about some other things where the revenue grew 175% compared to the 3-month ended March 31st, 2020. So DraftKings is off to an outstanding start in 2021. We continue to make progress and remain on track with the migration to our own in-house proprietary sports betting engine and so on. Also, the CFO added our 312 million in first quarter revenue, 114% increase in MUP, what is monthly paid user, right? Yeah, monthly unique pairs, so MEP, same thing. 48% growth in ARP MEP reflects solid customer acquisition and retention as well as successful launches of mobile sports betting and so on. So the important thing is that increasing 2021 revenue guidance. So DraftKings is raising its fiscal year 2021 revenue guidance from a range of 900 million to 1 billion to a range of 1.05 billion to 1.15 billion, which equates to a year-over-year growth of 63 to 79% and a 16% increase compared to the midpoint of our previous guidance. So from 21 to 20, they increased by 253%. Their revenue for the next year, they are expecting around 63 to 79%. So first of all, like when the stock company is growing, it grows at a faster pace. After some time, you will see the growth is less, but at the same time, it still is a revenue growth, right? You are not increasing at the same pace, but it's not bad. You are not losing money or anything else. So anyway, so DraftKings beats and raises guidance after year's biggest event in online gambling. So the estimate was partial loss was expected widens 51 cent from 18 cent, and the revenue surges 151% to 226 million, and the actual result was not 51 cent, it was 36 cent. And also the revenue was 312 million compared to the estimate of 222 million. So the numbers looks really good. So what happened? The share price came down. If you go to Nasdaq, they have a strong buy rating. You see the big names here with the average price target of $74 with a high of 105 and low of $50. All the YouTube videos I have seen, it talks about $100 price target, so many things. So the current price is really attractive. You can see the current price is below 50 and it has a price target of 75. So 50 to 75 is like 50% increase for sure. So should you get in? That's the big thing, right? So if you look at a daily candle here, the RSI is extremely oversold. So this is below 30, which is oversold. You can see that the last time we touched that 30 RSI was this area. We were around $35, and after that you see there was no coming down. It was just continuously going up, 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 and it went from 35 all the way to $70. And you can see it took so long, but from coming from here to here, this point was not that long. And again the RSI is 30, and I'm sure like it should bounce back. It should bounce back and it will go higher. So just looking at the RSI, it looks really good. Now let's look at the support and resistance. This is also important. So this is the support around 49.5 area. You can see it was some candles we had. Now also we came around this area. What would be the next resistance? I see something around 55.5, because you see some resistance here, some resistance here, here, then it became a support. Now it could become a resistance. Going from there, we would have some kind of resistance around 60. Again, you see so many candles here, and again around 65. So if it bounced back, keep these numbers on your head, that 55.5, 60 and 65, and the ultimate top around $70 would be the resistance. But I think for the downside, the RSI is extremely low. It should bounce back. If it does not bounce back, I want to draw one more support in case it comes down. You see the line around 45. It was resistance at 1 point, 2 point, then it was again a resistance in the last end of January, and currently we are at 49. So if it comes down, I think it can come down all the way to 45 area, then definitely it will bounce back. Because if it comes to 45, the RSI will even come lower, maybe around 25, who knows. So if you are really long term, maybe you can start some position here, or if you can wait and see if it comes even lower. Or if you want to make a quick trade, maybe you get in. Once it bounces back, you make some money and get out. So you can play in both ways. Now, do you want to play with call option or put option? Entirely up to you. So if you see the support of around 49 is broken, then maybe you can try a put. In that case, if the market is red and this one is coming down, you can try a put option and just make some money. Or if you're really long, in that case, try a long expiration date, maybe sometime around August, which will give you 105 days to expire. And you can try something with $50 strike or $55 strike, because looking at the chart, if it bounces back, it will go close to $55 or $60. So again, up to you how much money you want to spend for premium. Also, if you want to play with put, also look at the put prices so you can decide. But the market is so choppy, playing with option can be very rewarding if you are playing correctly. But on the other hand, if you buy a call option and the market is still tanks, then you can lose a lot of money. So the best thing for this kind of market, I would say, play with shares. So as it dips, buy more and establish a position, because once it will go up, then it will be a rocket ship to the moon. So anyway, thank you very much for watching this particular video. We will see how Dkng performs, but currently it is like more than 50%. It is still tanking. So watch the price action. Today the overall market is good. Most of my shares are green, but still Dkng is coming down. So give it some time, let it settle, then you can get in with a call option, put option, or some shares. So again, if you find any of the information presented in this particular video, do not forget to hit the like button, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.